In today's video tutorial, I'm gonna walk you through how to fix Valorant stuck at 45%. You can also utilize a VPN for the next step. Afterward, access the task manager by simultaneously pressing the Control Shift and Escape keys. Close any programs that are not essential. Then, navigate to the Details tab and locate Riot Client Services. Right-click on it and choose the option to set priority, selecting above normal. Finally, proceed to reinstall Valorant. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.